Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in this video. Guys, today I'm here to explain you about home band reviews. And guys, in this video I'll help you know whether home band is a legit product or a scam one. And I would like to inform you that this is not a product, guys. If you have never ordered this product before, then this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy this product or not? And if you have experienced any fraud over this product, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So this is the amazing picture of this home band product, and it is a wireless set of earphones that you can connect seamlessly with your smartphones. Yes guys, you can also access a vast library of audio content to get a silent sleep. So this is an amazing product that comes with extraordinary features as well. Now before going further, I request you all to hit the like button, share the video with your friends and subscribe our channel. And let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this product as a scam or legit. So let's take a look at the specifications of this product. So guys, it comes with sturdy and ergonomic design. And apart from that, it is compatible with Android and Apple devices, which is a great thing. Apart from that, it is really very easy to clean because it is constructed using an elastic washable fabric that can be cleaned within a matter of minutes. And it comes with various extraordinary features or benefits. Apart from that, it is known for giving premium audio output. That means the device features a wireless Bluetooth 5.0 module known for its amazing sound quality. So these are the extraordinary and ultimate specifications or features of this product. Now let's talk about the pros of this home band, and let's talk about the first pros. So guys, home bands earphones can be plugged into any mobile with a mini jack, which is a great thing for everyone. And apart from that, it comes with 100 plus hours of audio content, and it is more comfort. The fabric includes a thermoformed foam which itself encloses the ultra thin earphones. At any time you can remove this foam to adjust the position of the earphones to your ears. Thus this product is adjustable, guys. So this is one of the biggest pros of this product. And apart from that, you can also enter into a deep state of meditation in a quick, efficient manner. And it can be used with peripheral audio applications including Spotify, YouTube, Headspace, Calm, etc. And it is light in weight as well. So guys, if you are looking to buy this product, then you can visit the official website, which is www.homesleep.com. And talking about home band reviews, we have found mixed reviews about this product on the internet and on the official website as well, guys. We have found 3.6 rating out of 5 on the internet about this product. One of the customers said, really love this. I have spelled with air headphones on for my entire life because I need to listen to music or audiobooks to sleep, and I'm able to sleep 10,000 times more comfortably now. So this was the positive comment by a verified user. And another customer wrote, it was really tight on my head and left marks when I took it off. On the top of that, the tiny wires broke after just few uses. So it was too late to return it to Amazon, so I'm stuck with it. So guys, this was the negative comment from a customer side. So these are the mixed reviews about this product that we have found. And if you want to purchase this product, so try home band risk free for 100 days. You can buy one home band at the cost of $79.9. You can also buy two home band and save $40. You can also buy 3 home band items and you can save $79. So you can check out the prices over here, and you can make the payment via PayPal, Amex, Discover, Visa, MasterCard. So this was the information about this product. You can also find some FAQs related to this product, guys. And I would like to say do proper research before making any online purchase and explore the specifications and benefits of this product by visiting the customer reviews as well. So guys, I request you all to share your experience with this product, as this product is legit. And if you have any problem with your money, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. So guys, do comment now and hit the like button, share the video and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. Thanks for watching this video guys. Have a good day.